Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I just created this makeup look inspiration on, what is her name? Her name, I think it's Chloe? No, Kourtney Kardashian. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It looks so natural. I mean, it's just a bold lip color, which it is from a new brand that is, I just get a package yesterday, and I'm so excited to talk about the things that I get from that brand, which is Mellow brand. But before I start, I want you to ask you for a favor. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what kind of lipstick do you like for fall. I want to know what kind of color, not lipstick. Oh my god, I cannot talk right now. Are you serious, you guys? You know, it's fall. Why not? Beautiful color equals fall, screams fall. Fall, it screams fall. And I am here with my coffee right here because today is Coffee Friday with Gina. Coffee Friday with Gina. Woo! Coffee Friday. Coffee Friday. And unboxing. Okay, so we are going to do an unboxing today. I get a few things. So I want to share with you guys. I want to talk to you about them, and I want to tell you how I get those products as well. You know, you guys can tell that I am not like the 2.4 followers or 2.4 subscribers here on YouTube. But if you subscribe to my channel, it will be so excited for me, you guys. Also, if you are not following me on my Instagram, I'm going to leave it right here so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Check out my Instagram. I upload pictures, tips and tricks, lifestyle, inspiration, codes, written by me, by moi, yes. And also, I love to make videos in Spanish and English, two language here, yes. You get everything in one bundle, okay? So we're going to start with the first bags that we get today. Oh, if this is your first time, you guys, here on my channel, my name is Gina. I love to make beauty related videos, review and demos, and I love to talk everything about brands, products. I love to do demos, makeup, lifestyle. Why not fashion? Maybe. Comment down below if you want me to do a fashion style. You guys, you love this t-shirt? You guys, I'm going to link it down below because I get this one on SHEIN, and I have a haul from SHEIN coming soon if you guys like to see that. Look at this, bright colors, it matches with my lipstick. My god, this is the best vibe. So it is Friday. I decided why not, let's do a unboxing. So I have here my first box, which is from Mellow. This is a Australian brand. Mellow Cosmetics brand, you guys. Okay, what happens with this brand and how I get to know about this brand? I think it was a couple weeks ago, like 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, I uploaded a picture on my IG, and they reached me out and they asked me if I want to collab with them, and I was like, what? And this is real? Yes, you want to collab with us and yada yada, we can send you da-da-da, and all the information is a top secret. So I get two beautiful palettes plus a blush, and I want to share with you guys what I get. So the first thing that I get, it was this eyeshadow palette, which is Sinopia. It's a beautiful palette, you guys. I opened it last night because I'm be honest with you guys, I get this yesterday, last night. You guys, it comes from Australia, you know, like the other side of the world. I'm in New York City. Really, this is from the other side of the world, to be quite honest. So the name of the palette is Sinopia, you guys, right here. And ta-da-da-da, look at this beauty right here. Oops, look at this beauty right here. Look at those colors, you guys. The colors are stunning and beautiful. Look at this blue moon. Oh my god, I'm obsessed, you guys, with this palette. I mean, comment down below if you guys want me to create a makeup look with this. I can create like 1,000 makeup looks with this, especially because how versatile is this palette. You can create looks for summer, fall, spring, yes, for sure, and winter as well. Look at this blue. Look at this blue. Look at this blue color, you guys. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Look at this currant color right here. Oh my god, look at this birch. You guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this cinnamon. Look at the pigment. The pigment is beautiful, you guys. I'm going to do swatch here on my arm so you guys can see. You guys, I mean, I know you guys came here just because you want to see this. So why not? I have to give you what you want to see. Look at this. Look at the, oh, let me see. I don't know, because my arm is like kind of weird and funny. Look at that. You guys can see that? It's so beautiful. Beautiful palette, affordable price. It is a very affordable price. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And of course, you guys help me out because I get a little something if you buy from my link. I really appreciate that, you guys. And the next thing that I get, it was... So this is going to be a very short and, you know, like simple unboxing, you guys. So as well, I'm going to tell you, comment down below if you guys want me to recreate this makeup look. Like I say, it's a corny, I think it's corny makeup look recreation. I mean, inspiration. I mean, you know, I mean, you guys, look at this beautiful palette right here. This is the Stardust Glow palette, medium dark. It is a beautiful palette right here. Look at that. You guys, it comes with 2 highlighters, 1 blush and 1 bronzer. And look at this beautiful highlighter and this one. I mean, for dark skin type, for light skin type. Blush, it has a beautiful pigment, and the bronzer is beautiful. Like I say, this is a secret for me to create a makeup look for you guys if you want me to. And also I get another thing, which is this beautiful blush right here. It comes like that. Very beautiful blush. So I love peachy blushes. So look at how beautiful is this blush. And this one calls peach. Actually, it's a peach color. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that's what I get from Mellow. Like I said before, I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out and visit their website. It takes like a week or so for you to get your products, but they have a beautiful deal, beautiful discounts. The products is stunning, as you guys can see. The pigmentation of the shadows is like beautiful. They also have another eyeshadow, which is a very light eyeshadows, like more like neutral nude colors. So you guys can go and check it out, the website. Please check it out, the website. You guys are not going to be like, oh no, why? And also, one thing that I want to say to you guys is this brand is vegan. It is gluten-free. It is organic, and also it is not animal tasted. They don't taste on animals, okay? And it's all natural. So the next thing I get, it was this box. This was a surprise for me because I get this one, and this one is from the Influencer box Influencer. So they sent over 3 products for me to test out and see how they work. This is a free product. I didn't pay anything for that. I didn't pay shipping. For the other box, for the Mellow box, yes, I did pay for the products. I did pay for the shipping, okay? So for this one, I didn't pay for anything. All these are free products that they sent to me, so that's a disclaimer. So if you guys want me to talk a little bit more about this, how you can get free products from influencers, so comment down below and I can make a video just for you guys. And the first thing I get, it was this Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser right here. And this is made in Korea. The name of the brand is Peach and Lily. So I'm going to open up, and it looks like that. It's a plastic tube, like you squeeze the and it's beautiful. And I'm going to just show you right here. So it's a gel base, and this is a clean brand, okay? So they are gluten-free as well, toxin-free as well, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and vegan, and 100% water-free. So it's a clean brand, and it smells really nice. I mean, it smells really good. It has camellia and chamomile, and one thing that it claims, it is deep cleansing and soothing Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Beautiful. I love it. I'm so happy to go ahead and try this out. The next thing that I get, it was this Maylene Plus Goats Detox Scalp Mask. This is the name of the brand. This is a mask for your scalp. And I'm also very excited to try this. This one is also as well is cruelty free, and it helps to detox your scalp. So I'm all about trying new products for my hair. So excited to try that. And the next thing that I get, it was this little sample of the Lilia mascara. This one is the Limitless Lash Mascara, Lifts, Length, and Curl, and it's organic shea butter mascara base. So excited to try this out as well. It looks like that. It's a very tiny mascara, and because I have makeup on my hands already, you guys, so sorry about that. This is how it looks. They have like two sides of the brush. One side is the small one, and the other side is a little bit larger. So I think it's to brush your lashes and to make it longer, or if you just want to apply a little tiny bit of mascara, you just can go ahead and do that. So I'm so excited to try out all of this. They also sent me this card with the all the explanation, how it works, how I can use that. So I'm pretty excited for you to use those products, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is all what I have to show you right now, you guys. I don't have nothing else to say. I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend, and also I'm pretty excited for the new Starbucks pumpkin spice latte, I guess, and I really want to try that. I mean, I love pumpkin. Comment down below if you guys love pumpkin, and what do you think? Do you love it? You don't? And also I'm ready to start making more videos, especially I want to make fall inspiration videos. And why not, Halloween is coming. I know we are in our homes and all of that, but why not? We can make like ourselves like a little Halloween party at home, just you and your family, whoever lives with you, and have fun, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'd send you a lot of hugs and my positive vibes. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, and also share this video if you are not part of this family. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye.